They told you the world was simple, that if you followed the rules, kept your head down, and smiled on command, you'd be safe, you'd be successful, you'd be fulfilled. But they lied. What they called education was indoctrination. What they called discipline was obedience training. What they called love was control. And what they called normal was a cage. You weren't lost. You were conditioned, taught to betray your instincts, punished for asking questions, rewarded for being silent. They didn't want your brilliance, they wanted your compliance. Every system you trusted was built to tame you, to trade your fire for approval, your edge for acceptance. And now you're waking up, not all at once, but in waves. And it hurts, because clarity costs comfort. Awakening costs belonging. Truth costs everything fake you once called home. You start seeing it in everything. The lies they taught you to believe about success. The boxes they forced you into. The mask they told you to wear every single day. But here's the thing. You were never broken. You were breaking free. You weren't too much. They were too small to hold your truth. You weren't dramatic. You were drowning in dishonesty. You weren't a failure. You were refusing to follow a system designed to kill your fire. So now, you walk alone, not because no one wanted you, but because you finally want yourself more. Now your silence is sacred. Your solitude is a strategy. Your clarity is the sharpest weapon you've ever held. Let them call you selfish. Let them say you've changed. Let them whisper behind your back. Because while they talk, you build, you sharpen, you hunt. And if this path is hard, good. It means it's real. It means it's yours. You weren't lost. You were lied to. But now you see. Like if you've outgrown everything you were taught to be. Comment "I see now" if this cracked something open. Share it with someone waking up. Read The Wolf, How to Awaken the Predator Within. This isn't motivation. This is reclamation. You are not broken. You are the wolf. And this world fears what wakes up.